What's up, everyone? Today we're investigating TTCoin Network, another mobile crypto mining app claiming you can earn cryptocurrency by tapping your phone. But is TTCoin actually real and worth your time, or is it just another fake mining scam? Let's break it down. So, TT Network Coin is available on Google Play and claims to let you mine cryptocurrency every 6 to 12 hours by simply opening the app. The app includes features like cloud mining, farming games, and promises future listings on Tier 1 exchanges. They also mention contributing to memorial forests, which sounds charitable. The reality check? Here's what you need to understand. TT Coin is technically a real app. It exists and you can download it. However, that doesn't mean it's valuable or worth your time. Performance reviews suggest TT Coin Network is performing slightly below average compared to other companies in its industry. The fundamental problem remains. Mobile devices cannot profitably mine cryptocurrency. Real mining requires massive computing power and electricity. What TT Coin calls mining is really just a gamification system where you tap buttons and watch numbers go up on your screen. Can you actually withdraw? This is where it gets murky. While some users claim the app is true and honest, there's limited verifiable proof of people successfully withdrawing meaningful amounts and converting TT Coin to real spendable money. Is TT Coin listed on real exchanges? Currently, it's not widely traded on major cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Without legitimate exchange listings, even if you accumulate TT Coin, you may have nowhere to sell it for actual money. What's the real business model? Like most apps, they make money from you through ads you watch, data they collect, and referral systems where you recruit friends. Meanwhile, the coin you're earning has questionable real world value. Promises of Tier 1 exchange listings without concrete dates of proof constitutes warning signs. Requiring you to open the app every few hours to claim earnings, this is engagement farming to show you more ads. Lack of transparency about actual mining operations or hardware, and limited withdrawal proof from real users converting to actual fiat currency. The final verdict? TT Coin Network is technically real, but practically worthless. It's not fake in that it won't steal your money directly, but the cryptocurrency you're mining has questionable value and limited places to cash out. You're better off spending that time learning real crypto trading or earning money through legitimate means. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.